What's up, you hashtag very cool guys and girls? Today, we happen to be here at the shop, and we're going to be installing a new door for an office. Just an office. It's not anybody's specific office, just an office. Okay? Nah, quite frankly, the truth is that I can't stand sharing office space here with Nick. So I created my own little space, and I'm going to have my own door so I can get some privacy. Okay? What we're going to be putting in is this is a knockdown door frame, okay, and then a solid core birch laminate door. You know, sometimes guys can be intimidated by these knockdown frames, and tell you the truth, they're pretty simple and they're easily adjustable. Should only take a few minutes to install, so let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we're going to install the jamb side first, okay? All we're going to do is we're going to slip the top of the door frame over the drywall, then we're going to lift the door frame up into place somewhat, right? Next step is install the head. All right, so then what we're going to do is we're going to slide our head into place, okay? We're going to align our tabs here, as you can see. And then we'll push it in place, and then we're going to lift the jamb side into place. Okay, perfect. Now, hopefully we'll have another set of hands to hold the jamb from falling down and hitting us in the head. We're going to grab the strike side jamb. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lift it. We're going to lower down the head. We're going to lift the jamb into place. Beautiful. Now our jamb's in place. All we have to do is plumb and level. All right. So once we're relatively plumb on the jamb side, what we're going to do is we're going to pin the bottom of the jamb. This frame has little snap-in tabs. Okay. Some frames will have a little screw hole here that you would go straight directly through the jamb. So your jamb might vary somewhat. We're just going to drive a screw and lock our jamb into our bottom plate. Once you check if your head is level after you've pinned your jamb, then you'll realize that this side is too low and needs to come up. So you'll have to do everything the over again, okay? Right there. Right there? Yeah. As one of my teachers would tell me, you put the thing in the thing, and then the thing, and that's it. That's it. So to recap, we set our hinge side jamb. We then set our head. We then set the strike side jamb. Okay? We made sure that our hinge side jamb was plumb. We then, or relatively plumb. We then pinned it at the bottom into the bottom plate. Okay? We then, once we confirmed that we were plumb, we then tightened down our upper clamp here. It's really an upper spreader, okay? That kind of locks it into place. We then repeat the process on the strike side, okay? We also confirmed that our head was plumb. Next step is to mount the hinges on the slab door. Norman and Mike are going to show you how to do that while I answer this call. This is the reality of construction, okay? A lot of times why I don't slow down on a daily basis to video everything, because I hate to admit it, but time is money. okay? So we start out with good intentions of showing an install of something, and even here at my own office, it's like you start something, start the install, everything's going smooth, and then you run into an issue. Well, you know, granted, it was a small issue, but an issue nonetheless that I have to stop, redo things, do it over, and quite frankly, I don't have the time. Sorry, I'm a horrible YouTuber, I apologize. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.